SnipeGoat, baby. Welcome. So you know what it is, man. We're gonna dive straight in. We're gonna get straight to the market. I'm gonna give you a nice top-down analysis and market breakdown of how I'm looking at the market, how I'm analyzing the market, and what I'm taking from the candles that I'm reading to make my analyzation and to determine what price is going to do based on what price did. You know, so we're gonna see what price is doing right now. Uh, Top down, we want to see and determine the higher time frame narrative. So we read the candles based on uh, the past, understanding what price did to determine what price is doing, to ultimately establish what price is going to do. You feel what I'm saying? So we're going to do our top down, starting here at the monthly time frame. You see my side by side chart. So as we go over the monthly time frame, we you can simultaneously see what price is doing and producing, or has done and has produced, on the weekly time frame inside of that monthly price action. So most recent swing, higher low, higher high, bullish expansion, bearish retracement. As you can see, we got our Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high. We got the structure of this higher low here. And as you can see, in this bearish retracement, price came into the snipe zone and encountered the open of this structure, this bullish expansion, this higher low, right? And price showed respect. So now we want to see what price is doing in this bearish retracement that came down to the structure of this higher low, and to determine what price is doing right now. So as you can see on the weekly time frame over here on the second chart to the right, you see this is the price action on the weekly time frame that created that monthly expansion. Uh, we got this higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then price uh, produced this higher low and higher high, and then price reversed, breaking the structure and the higher lows that was established in this bullish expansion, giving us and creating and establishing this bearish expansion here. In this bearish expansion, as you can see, we went over, price encountered this internal retracement, encountered the open of said candle that price is trading inside of here, right? 1, 2, and then almost 3 weeks, price traded inside of this candle, and this is what happened because of it. Price came into the open of that candle, showed respect, and we got this bearish continuation. And then price presumed to do it again. But again, price came down to the structure of that monthly price action, and we got this internal retracement. Price came up into this internal retracement, or into the open of this bearish candle that price was trading inside of. Got this continuation. The continuation, price came into the close of said candle and showed respect. And then now, as you can see, price is encountering this reversal. And so now, we still got 4 days and 8 hours left, but, you know, bearish expansion, possible bullish retracement is all determines, or is all based on the type of price action we are encountering. So with price turning bullish here, are we going to encounter corrective price action? Are we going to encounter corrective bullish price action, or are we going to encounter impulsive bullish price action that can come up and break through, which will be ultimately that continuation here on the monthly swing to swing retracement continuation, right? It could be a thing. We'll see. But as of now, this is current price action. This is where we are. So in order to determine what price is doing here, let me try something. All right. So we want to read the price action that we are encountering here, right? We want to zoom into this price action to understand what is price doing right now. So here on the weekly time frame, we're going to zoom into this weekly time frame price action here on the daily to determine what is price doing structurally on the daily time frame inside of that weekly price action to ultimately create and establish that weekly time frame price action, correct? Excuse me. So as we can see, um, when price was trading inside of that weekly bearish candle, we got this structural retracement, which established a head and shoulders pattern. Then the second shoulder failed to, give us that um, bearish continuation. Price showed respect here at the close of that weekly candle, and then we started getting this bullish price action. So price was producing this head and shoulders pattern. The shoulder continuation was cut short, and then we got this reversal where price established and started breaking the bearish, the bearish structure points that price had established here. And we got this swing to swing. Price came up and closed above this deep point of this head, breaking that structure point also, which established and created this bullish expansion here. Then price retraced, and now we're getting this continuation. So this is the price action that we have encountered inside here, right? Inside of this weekly price action. So on the weekly price action, as you can see, what price did came up, came down, and pushed up now. You know what I mean? This is the price action that price encountered inside of that weekly time frame here on the daily. So you know how we do. We want to see inside of that daily time frame, right? We want to dial in into this daily price action. So with that, we scale down to the 12 hour. I really don't like how this look, man, on this monitor. Uh, okay. So we want to scale into this. See where we at. Okay. We want to scale into this daily price action here, right? This daily bullish price action. Now that price clearly has shown us this breakout. And then also we got these daily resistant levels, or I call them daily structure points that price um, can get to and break through or respect or cause a retracement, whatever the case may be. But we have these levels identified where price will encounter some type of turbulence, I guess. You feel me? So we want to go inside of that daily price action. So here on the 12 hour, inside of that daily time frame, we see and understand what price is doing in that bullish price action. Swing to swing, price retrace, came down to this 12-hour structure point that was established in this bullish expansion here, showed respect, and gave us this reversal here, which was the continuation. You feel me? And now this is the current price action that we are encountering here on the 12 hour. So, like I like to do, we want to scale into this 12-hour time frame price action. And in order to do that, we're going to go to the 3 hour. You feel me? So we're going to scale down to the 3 hour to see structurally what is price doing on the 3 hour that is making up that 12-hour time frame price action. You know what I mean? So here on the 3 hour, as you can see, From that point where price turned bullish, started creating higher highs and higher lows, right? After price came here to that what no, take it back. This is that retracement. You feel me? It's gonna right here. Swing to swing, bearish retracement, bullish continuation. All right. So that's the price action here on this 3-hour time frame. Price has encountered that bullish expansion, bearish retracement, and now price is encountering this bullish continuation. And this is the next level, 103. Just call it that, 103. It's the next level that price will be going to. And we just crossed over this level here, 95.5, right? So here on the 3-hour, we're seeing price create and establish higher highs and higher lows. And now, as you can see, price in this expansion is creating this expansion with this internal retracement here, this internal retracement here, this internal retracement here, and now price is encountering this expansion. So currently price is just moving, and you know, if we want to know what price is doing inside of this 3-hour time frame, we scale down to the handy dandy 90-minute. Now, as we can see, the price action that has transpired, we understand just recently on that last 3-hour move, right? Look at this last 3-hour move. Internal retracement, continuation. Again, we know that that bearish price action was a retracement, so we read the retracement. Structured retracement, A, B, C, D, came right into the snipe zone of that 3-hour internal retracement, and now price is encountering this continuation. Inside of that 90-minute, I'll scale down to the 22-minute, and then can also read the price action that price is encountering. Once price get to certain levels that I know will turn bullish or bearish or whatever the case may be. So price come down to this 3-hour snipe zone, internal snipe zone, right? And on the 22-minute, we experienced this bullish expansion. Bearish retracement. Price came right into the snipe zone of this bullish move, most definitely. Could have got in here. Stop loss. And why is this acting crazy? Currently, this move is 1 to 16 risk to reward. But if we take it all the way up to this daily level, and that's a massive 1 to 45 risk to reward. You feel me? And that's how we looking at it. You feel me? Let me see where we at. Okay. So, like I said when we left off in my previous video, that price was bullish after we encountered that failed continuation to the downside on that weekly time frame. And this is the bullish price action that pursued that encounter. You know what I mean? So this is how we looking at it, baby. You know what I mean? Nice, beautiful 3-hour. Nice, beautiful 12-hour. Daily. We know what it is. So there we have it, baby. Ultimately, you see where price is really going to, here. And then we'll see if price respects this level or if price breaks through to give that full bullish continuation for the monthly time frame, or is price going to come up, respect this level, and get us a continuation to the downside, which will just be still part of that monthly bearish retracement. But like I said, we'll see what price does at these levels to determine what price is going to do next. You know what I mean? So 103 next level. We got the 105. You could probably say 106, and 110.5 are our targets. You feel me? Where price is going to, and there you have it. You know what I mean? You heard it here first, baby. You heard it here first. SnipeGoat, the candle reading guru. Somebody go tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on the way.